Now we're going to go ahead and talk about the OSI reference model, Open System Interconnection. This was created by a group called the ISO, or International Organization for Standardization. Notice that their letters here do not line up with their name. That's because ISO is actually the Greek term for equal. They think that, everything is going to be equal if they create all these rules, and it's true. It helped us create CompUSA. Now, for example, all the manufacturers can follow a certain specification and create an Ethernet card. You can go down to CompUSA and buy a $19 Ethernet card, even cheaper right now, but this Ethernet card will now work in your network along with any other card. If you buy a Dell or HP or any other type of laptop, they should be able to communicate together because OSI created rules that all the manufacturers will follow, and then we have standardization. Now, typically, the IEEE has created the bottom layers, in other words, the specifications for Ethernet, and we'll get more to that in a minute. So the ISO allowed us to have application communication. That was their big picture, application communication. So let's talk about how disparate communication can occur between different types of computers. For example, a long time ago, how did a PC communicate to a Mac, or how did a PC communicate to a mainframe? This is what the OSI provided for us. The OSI layers and functions, taking a look here, there's 7 layers. Looking at the bottom layer, we have the physical layer, the data link layer, the network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation, and application layer. These top layers are called the upper layers. And this is where our applications communicate to. Remember, Microsoft Word does not sit here at the application layer. It communicates to the application layer, which takes the data and converts it for transmission on the network. So in the application, this is where we do our file, print, message, database, and application services, and where, again, our applications would sit.